Somewhere far away, in an undisclosed location, one of the greatest tricks ever was invented by an unknown magician. Watch carefully, because this trick will fool you. The magician takes a pen, 2 blank blue playing cards, and a full red deck of cards. He gives the cards to the spectator and lets them shuffle them up as much as possible. This could even be a borrowed deck. The spectator returns the cards, and the magician even shows that all of them are different and are genuinely mixed. The magician then even gives the cards one final cut and confirms with the spectator that there's no way that he could know what order the cards are in right now. He then picks up the 2 prediction cards and writes down a prediction on each one. The spectator looks to see if any funny moves occur, but everything is clean and fair. The magician then deals the cards from the randomly shuffled deck one by one onto the table and tells the spectator to say stop whenever they like. The spectator says stop. This is a free choice. The first prediction is then placed in this exact spot in the deck. The cards are fairly squared up, and the magician then says that they're going to do it again. The spectator freely says stop anywhere in the shuffled deck and returns the next prediction. This could not be any more fair. The cards then spread out, and the magician confirms that had the spectator said stop earlier or later, then the blue cards would be in a completely different place in the deck. The magician then slowly and cleanly pushes out the cards next to the blue prediction cards. The rest of the deck is then turned over, showing had the blue cards been placed anywhere else, a different card would have been selected. In this case, the spectator stopped next to the 7 and 8 of clubs. Amazingly, the first prediction says the 7 of clubs, and the second prediction says the 8 of clubs. Take a pen, 2 blank cards, these can just be bits of paper or card, and a regular deck. Let the spectator shuffle up the cards as much as they like. Once they are happy, you need to see what the top and bottom cards are. In this case, the top card is the 3 of clubs, and the bottom card is the 9 of clubs. To get this peek, spread out the cards and confirm that they're all different and mixed. And when doing so, you can secretly remember what the top and bottom cards are. Write down their value on each of the prediction bits of paper. The 9 of clubs is on the bottom of the deck, so that's the prediction card we'll be using first. Deal the cards down and let the spectator say stop. Put the prediction card on the card they stopped at. Then place the rest of the deck on top. You will notice that the 9 of clubs is now next to your prediction. Repeat this, let the spectator say stop, and then put the next prediction on the pile. Place the rest of the cards on top. Now your predictions will be next to the correct cards. From here, the rest of the trick is just showmanship when revealing the cards. This is a fun, self-working trick that takes minutes to learn. Let me know in the comments how you present this effect. For more amazing tricks like this, check out my magic book that you can order from Amazon. It's called Mind Blowing Magic Tricks for Everyone. I teach some of the greatest card, coin, and mentalism tricks, and reveal how to do amazing effects such as unlocking a spectator's locked phone, finding the spectator's card in an orange, pushing a phone into a bottle, and so much more. The link to the book is in the description below.